Ready to ditch those boring, text-heavy emails and supercharge your follow-up boss communication with eye-catching images? Let's dive right into how to send mass emails with embedded images in Follow-Up Boss. Step by glorious step. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. Once you're in, click on the People tab to access your contacts. Now, filter your contacts to select the specific group you want to send your mass email to. Use the available filters like tags, stage, or source to create your targeted audience. With your audience selected, click the Mass Email button. Now comes the fun part: crafting your email. You'll see the Email Composer window. Write your subject line and email body, just like you normally would. To insert your image, look for the image icon in the formatting toolbar. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload your image. Choose your desired image file from your computer and click Open. The image will then be embedded directly into your email at the cursor's location. Make sure the image looks great, and adjust its size if needed by clicking and dragging the corners. Pro tip: optimize your images for email by keeping the file size small. Before sending, always send yourself a test email to see how the image appears on different devices and email clients. This is crucial. Happy with everything? Then click Send and watch your engaging, imagery email land in your recipients' inboxes. And that's it. You've successfully sent a mass email with images in Follow-Up Boss. Get ready to see a boost in engagement and conversions.